Hello everyone, welcome back to English Footing, the channel where we make learning English easy, practical, and fun. Today, we're going to talk about something very important if you're living in the United States, tax season. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it might seem. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what tax season is, why it's important, and how to prepare for it. Let's dive in. First of all, what is tax season? Tax season is the time of year when people in the United States report their income to the government. The government uses this information to calculate how much tax you owe or if you paid too much during the year and are owed a refund. Taxes fund many essential services like schools, roads, healthcare programs, and emergency services. So, when you pay taxes, you're helping keep the country running. For 2025, tax season begins on January 27th, the first day the IRS starts accepting returns, and the deadline to file is April 15th. If you miss the deadline and owe taxes, you may have to pay a late fee and interest, which means you'll owe even more money. Filing on time is important to avoid these extra costs. So, how do you get ready to file your taxes? Preparing for tax season is all about organization. Start by gathering all your income documents. If you work a regular job, your employer will give you a W-2 form, which shows how much you earned and how much tax was already taken out. If you do freelance or contract work, you'll get a 1099 form showing your income but without taxes withheld. You'll also need your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number. Double-check this information carefully. Mistakes can delay your refund or result in notices being sent to you by the IRS. For example, if your name or address is written incorrectly, the system won't process your return smoothly. If you've paid for things like education, medical bills, or donated to charity, keep receipts for those expenses. These may qualify for deductions which lower the amount of income you're taxed on, potentially reducing how much you owe. Being organized with these documents will make the filing process much easier. Finally, one of the best ways to ensure accuracy is to file electronically. Tax software does the math for you, checks your information, and ensures everything is complete before you submit your return. Filing electronically can save you time, reduce errors, and help you get your refund faster. Now, let's talk about filing early. Filing your taxes as soon as you're ready has many benefits. First, if the government owes you money in the form of a refund, you'll get it faster by filing early. Refunds can be helpful for paying bills or saving for future expenses. Filing early also gives you more time to fix any mistakes. If there's an error in your return, you'll have the chance to correct it without feeling rushed. Additionally, filing early helps protect you from tax identity theft, where someone uses your personal information to file a fake return and steal your refund. The sooner you file, the lower the risk. However, there are also disadvantages to filing early. If you file too soon and don't have all your documents, like a missing W-2 or 1099, you might need to file an amended return later. This can be a hassle and might delay your refund. So, while filing early has its perks, make sure you're fully prepared first. What happens if you don't file on time? If you miss the April 15th deadline and owe taxes, you'll face penalties and interest. These are extra charges added to what you already owe. The longer you wait, the more these fees grow. If you're not ready by the deadline, you can request an extension, which gives you until October 15th to file. However, even with an extension, any taxes you owe are still due by April 15th. Paying late will result in extra costs, so it's better to file and pay on time whenever possible. In conclusion, what's the takeaway? Tax season might seem overwhelming, but with the right preparation, it doesn't have to be. Start by gathering your documents, double-checking your personal information, and considering any deductions you might qualify for. Filing electronically can make the process smoother and help avoid mistakes. Filing early has many advantages, like getting your refund sooner and protecting against identity theft, but be sure to wait until you're fully prepared. And most importantly, always file by April 15th to avoid late fees and interest. Thank you for joining us today on English Footing. I hope this video helped you understand more about tax season and how it works in the United States. See you next time and happy tax season!